Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. Let's see how to replace your battery on your Samsung Galaxy A21S smartphone. If you need any parts or tools, I have provided the links in the video description. Just click more under the video. Thanks. Okay, that's our Samsung Galaxy A21S. It's damaged a little bit, but no worries. We can open it and let's replace the battery. Okay, so first let's remove the back cover and heat it up a little bit with this heat gun here. And with around 200 degrees, maybe for a minute or two. Then I'm using a suction cup to try to remove the back cover. You need to make a gap between the back cover and the frame, and be careful because there is also an antenna here, as you see. Don't damage it. Now you go slightly around every corner and try to lift up this back cover, the plastic. If you will damage the adhesive tape, don't worry, we will put a new one. And this is not made by glass, so you can just pull it off. You can help yourself also with some screwdriver or any tool, whatever. What you need to do is just to lift it up. The rear fingerprint sensor is connected to the motherboard, so don't damage this cable there. If you try to open it with a plastic card or another tool, just be careful that you don't cut the cable. The cable which is connected to the fingerprint reader. Okay, our back cover is removed perfectly. Now we have here a lot of screws which need to be unscrewed. So go step by step and work till the end. Remove every screw. Then we also need to remove this SIM card tray and then try to make a gap between the middle frame and the screen. You can help yourself with a plastic tool and work around so that you easily remove the back plastic, the middle frame plastic. It needs to make the click everywhere, so you will know that it's released from the frame. Okay, now we are going to disconnect the battery. And now we will remove the battery itself. So for this I will need to use a little bit of alcohol, so the bottom adhesive tape will quickly release. So I pour in a little bit of alcohol, shake the phone so the alcohol can go in every corner, and then just make it happen. Like in a minute or 2 minutes the adhesive tape will become loose and you can disconnect and disassemble the battery. Okay, now we will put some double-sided adhesive tape on the battery so we can glue the battery inside the new screen. And let's put the battery inside the frame. Push it and stick it in every corner for better holding, and use a cloth. Let's connect the flex cable to the motherboard and to the bottom motherboard as well. Okay, and now we take the metal frame, the plastic metal frame, and connect it everywhere, push it and connect it to all the corners. And of course, let's not forget to screw. Now I'm cleaning here a little bit from the old adhesive. Also using here the air pump to remove all the dust. So you need to bend a little bit this back cover to better connect the flex cable from the fingerprint reader. You will get used to it. Just bend it a little bit and then use a screwdriver and you can connect it there to the motherboard. Once more cleaning. Now we will use double-sided adhesive tape for the back cover here. Just stick it to the frame and cut it. Okay, let's remove the adhesive protectors. I'm putting here a little bit glue just in case. Just a piece of it in all four corners, just for better holding. Okay, now you have to connect the fingerprint reader and align the back cover on the frame. Push it in every corner, stick it, make it a good quality repair. Use a cloth and go in every corner around. And then you take the SIM card tray and put it inside. So I take this plastic clip, put it on the frame, and then I will leave it like for 15 minutes just to make the glue work. and for better holding. So you leave it for 15 minutes and then you can remove them. After 15 minutes you remove them and then check if the screen is working. Okay, we have a picture here. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please comment and like the video, and donations are appreciated. You find a donation link in my About page and in the video description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.